Hi guys, it's McCall. I've always loved putting chocolate in my pancakes, and chocolate and s'mores are just meant to be. So today we are doing some s'mores pancakes. We've got some smoked sausage, some bacon, and just some original pancake mix. But now I'm going to focus on making the pancake mix. So we've got marshmallows. None of the stuff we're going to put in the pancake mix is measured. Lots of marshmallows, a bunch of chocolate. We just cut up some chocolate bars and some graham crackers. Here it is. This looks amazing, so I can't wait to try it. So we have to go out and cook it, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so we've got our bacon, our sausage on. We're going to let this cook, and then we'll get our pancakes on. Okay, we just got our sausage and bacon off. We just popped down a bit of butter, and now we're going to get on our s'mores pancake mix. We're cooking them low and slow, and I will get back to you guys when we flip them. Okay, so as you can see, the pancakes are bubbling, and that's when you can tell you can flip them. So I'm going to flip them, and then we are going to take them off. We're going to get these all flipped, take them off, and then I will try them. Okay, so now I'm going to try it. We got everything off. The sausage. It's delicious. The pancakes. Tastes like a s'more. And the bacon. Amazing. Remember, if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye!